What is it that you ultimately want to accomplish? The simpler the objective is, the easier it is to track. For a business, it can be simple. Do you want to increase sales? Or, like many B2B businesses, do you want to increase leads? That covers most businesses. Now, some may add qualifiers like increasing lead quality or decreasing the cost of a lead, which are great goals. For some organizations, leads and sales are not their goal. It may be increasing awareness or engagement. But ultimately, what are you attempting to accomplish? Are you building trust? Asking people to act or think differently? What actions are you attempting to produce? The goal is to get a trackable, clickable action that can be measured. When we have that, we can start to develop a clear measurement path that will help us measure the effectiveness of the content we create. To measure, we need to know what we want to accomplish. The big picture, the objective, is usually the purpose of the business or organization. The goal is what enables meeting the objective. Here's an example. The objective is to increase sales. To increase sales, there are 3 goals that can be measured to determine the success of meeting that objective. An organization can increase sales by gaining more customers, increasing how much customers buy, and increasing how often customers buy. These would be measurable goals as they directly impact the objective. Now, website visits would be a key performance indicator, a KPI, as it shows an influence towards the goal, but it is not a direct factor. You can increase website visits, but that doesn't necessarily have a direct correlation to the number of sales. The further away we get from the objective, the less impact there is, but there is still impact. Similarly, a click-through or click-through rate of a social post, an ad, a search ranking, they are KPIs as they show the source and entry point of a visitor. But the click-through rate only measures the effectiveness of the ad or post in moving the visitor to click and investigate more. It measures the influence to action. Once they get to the landing page or a website, there are hundreds of other factors that influence the resulting actions. Start your measurement strategy by clearly defining your objective, the direct goals that contribute to that objective, and the KPIs that influence your goals. You'll find that measurement gets much easier when you apply context.